start this bulletin with some big breaking news that's coming in right now. The Mumbai Civic Body has undertaken an eviction drive. Now, the eviction drive is at the Lower Parel area. The action is against illegal vendors, food stalls. 19-year-old had in fact died after eating shawarma at this particular spot. These are visuals there of the eviction drive. My colleague Srishti joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Srishti, of course, an eviction drive here triggered by the death of a 19-year-old. Give us more details about what this is all about, and also, was there any prior notice that was issued to these shopkeepers?
Well, of course, right now where I'm present is in Lower Parel. You can see the actions are being initiated by BMC against the illegal vendors, hawkers and food stalls which are placed here. This is an important area. A lot of footfall is here. However, earlier in May, a 19-year-old boy died after eating shawarma in Goregaon, and that has, irked the officials, and that has been the main point that action has been initiated by BMC against all the vendors, hawkers and food stallers who are placing their shops on the roads illegally. Now, the legal vendors are not being harmed by the BMC. However, the actions are being taken by BMC against the vendors who are doing the job illegally. We have a licensing officer with us. Ma'am, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप एक्शन ले रही है यहाँ पे? अभी सारे जो शॉपकीपर्स थे वो भाग गए हैं आपकी गाड़ी देखते ही।
शॉपकीपर्स नहीं मैडम, हॉकर वेंडर। हम डेली एक्शंस ले रहे हैं। 24 वार्ड्स में एक्शन चालू है डेली।
एक लड़के की मौत हो गई थी शॉर्मा खाने के बाद, उसी के बाद जो है एक्शंस काफी स्ट्रिक्टली होने लगे।
यस यस, उसके पहले भी एक्शंस था लेकिन अभी और भी स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for connecting with us. So this was a licensing officer, and as you can see in the visuals that all the hawkers and vendors who were there earlier, now they have ran away as they have seen the bus of BMC, the cart of BMC, which is taking away the material and the stalls and the things which they have. This is a particular vehicle of BMC. I'll just ask my video journalist to show you across the visual of the material that has been seized by the BMC. I'll just walk towards this particular vehicle, and these are the visuals of the materials, the food items, the stalls, the carts which was in place here on the street, and that has been seized by the BMC. Importantly, earlier Bombay High Court has also mentioned that illegal hawkers should not be there, and it's BMC's job to evict them out. Now the BMC is taking action against them. You can see in that truck as well there are a lot of things which are being seized by the BMC, and to recover it, to take them back from the BMC, the vendors has to pay certain penalties, and then they can get their things. But this is not allowed, as it is very difficult. You can see this particular road also, it is very narrow, and when the vendors, the hawkers are there on the streets, it's absolutely difficult for commuters also to travel, and for the people who are walking also it is very difficult. So now the action has been initiated by BMC, and it's a relief for Mumbaikars, for the citizens who commutes daily, from this particular road. But yes, importantly here in Lower Parel, which is an absolutely busy area, now the action has been taken by BMC.
Right, Srishti, like you rightly pointed out, the eviction drive there at the Lower Parel area, you're getting us the live visuals of the eviction drive, all the items that have been seized by the authorities, and also, very importantly, a clarification coming in from the officer there that no shopkeepers have been harmed. It's the hawkers against whom the action has been taken. I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, getting us all those details. In fact, let's also shift our focus to some